It's the difference between making a brand or a product and then trying to huff it and sell it in the market, or doing your research, identifying where there's a market and a customer, and then creating a product that fills a niche or a need that they're looking for. That's what we do here. That's what we're teaching students. That's what they're going to take away. I am Jason Matlow. I'm a fashion designer in Vancouver and creative director at the Cut Fashion Design Academy.
My name is Colette. I'm the head of pattern and garment making assembly here at the Cut.
Hi, I'm Nikki Renshaw and I teach costume design at the Cut with the fabulous Shanna Mayer.
My name is Shanna Mayer and I'm a costume designer. I got into the industry doing windows and merchandising, and then I started to style a few customers, and then somebody said, hey, you should go and do costumes. You're very good at this. Gosh, it's been such a long career. I've done Life Unexpected, I've done The 100, I've done Lucifer, Supergirl.
I am from Ireland originally. I did my degree there. I then went on to study creative pattern cutting making, where I spent over 15 years working for designers such as Alexander McQueen, Mario Schwab, Christopher Kane.
So as you can tell by my fabulously Canadian accent that I'm actually English, and I started my design career in London. I actually went to Central St Martin's School of Art, and then I spent 10 years in television.
Well, I originally started off on a journey into fine arts, and in the mid-90s made a decision that my true passion was with fashion. Won a design competition in 1998 called the Smirnoff Fashion Awards. Won a reality TV show in the mid-2000s called Making It Big, and then built my brand over the next 14 years.
I love teaching and just being helpful, really. I just always like that feeling of knowing that you've helped somebody be better.
I've taught a little bit here and there at different schools, and I just love the energy, and I love being able to pass on everything that's in my brain, which it turns out is a lot over the years.
I love the creative exchange with the students, seeing what they're generating, and just sharing the knowledge that I've learned over the years, both through education and my experience in the industry.
One of the things I love about teaching at the Cut is the fact that we have small classes, so there's a lot of one-on-one. And I think that's really important, and it's one of the only places that I've taught, and I've been teaching for, nearly a decade, that I've had that opportunity to really delve into each individual student.